Hello and welcome back to Bullows Paint Shop Tales channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of spray guns with the unboxing and overview of our Bullows ProCoat Prime. This is our newest entry into our spray gun lineup. This cutting edge spray gun is designed specifically for the auto refinish industry, ensuring you achieve a flawless finish every time. So let's check it out. So this is our spray gun box. As you can see, it has the gun name, model name mentioned, along with the nozzle setup, including our pressure feed tanks and air motor. On the back side, we can see one of our installations for a total turnkey paint shop. And this is the box of our spray gun cup. Since the ProCoat Prime is a gravity feed gun, it comes with an SS cup of 600 ml. So first, let's go through the box of the gun, and later on we can do the unboxing of the cup. So this is our ProCoat Prime gravity feed spray gun. Let's keep the gun aside. This is its air hose connector. Along with the box, you get some pamphlets. The first one is a technical flyer of the spray gun, which mentions all the technical things which you might need to read first before using the spray gun. The next flyer is a Bullows flyer, which once again mentions all the other equipment as well as turnkey paint shop solutions which we provide. We have a pan-India location, and for anything regarding spray gun equipment, you can just give us a call anytime. So let's keep this aside. Let's unbox the cup. This is an extremely sturdy and quality finished stainless steel 600 ml gravity cup. This is the lid. It also has Bullows branding on top. So here it is, the ProCoat Prime. It is sleek, lightweight and built to perform. The first thing you will notice is the ergonomic grip that makes it comfortable to use during the long refinish sessions and reduce fatigue and improve control for the operator. As you can see, the gun has various ports. So let's go through them one by one. At the bottom here, which you can see, is the air inlet connection, where you give the compressed air connection to the gun. The operating air pressure is 3 to 4 bar. At the bottom here, the knob which you see is to control the air pressure to the gun. This is the trigger assembly of the gun. It is a solid and durable feel which gives good precision during the painting process. This knob here at the bottom one is the one which is used to adjust the tip needle setup of the gun. On top of it, the bigger knob, it is used to control the fluid pressure or the paint pressure of the gun. So this knob which you see right here, this is the most important knob in the gun. This one is used to change the spray pattern of the gun. So you can go from round pattern to flat pattern pretty easily. So now let's mount our 600 ml SS cup to the gun. The SS cup not only gives it durability but also gives it a good finish and a long lasting lifespan. As you can see, holding the gun, the main primary advantage is the ergonomic, feel good finish and good handling. The gun features a high precision nozzle system designed to deliver consistent spray pattern for base coat, clear coat and everything in between. Plus the adjustable controls make it easy to fine tune for different tasks, ensuring maximum versatility. For professionals in the auto refinish industry, precision and efficiency are key. The ProCoat Prime is engineered to help you achieve seamless blending and a showroom quality finish. Whether you are working on minor touch-ups or full body refinishes, this gun's performance won't disappoint you. So now let's slightly disassemble the gun and check out its nozzle setup. For this, you have to twist the retainer ring anti-clockwise. After a few turns, as you can see, a retainer ring setup along with the air cap is removed. This is our air cap, which is made of brass with a plating at the front end, and this is the retainer ring. And this here is the nozzle and tip needle setup. When you pull the trigger, you can see the needle working perfectly. As you can see with the OK tested branding, each gun is tested thoroughly for different parameters before going to the customer. Constructed with durable materials, the ProCoat Prime is built to withstand heavy use while maintaining consistent performance. And you know what the best part is? It's compatible with a wide range of paints and coating, making it versatile addition to any workshop. So whether you are a seasoned pro or just stepping into the auto refinish world, the Bullows ProCoat Prime is a game changer spray gun. So stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deep into the operating of the ProCoat Prime. Thanks for watching this unboxing and overview. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates from Bullows Paint Shop Tales. Have any questions about the ProCoat Prime, then you can just drop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you next time.